Mia is eating hutio, and me too, and Yijin. On the rooftop. Oops, sorry.
Isn't that the marina that we went to yesterday?
What's up?
Sao biết cái chụp hình. Đợi tới đằng chào chuối với mứt dừa.
Gì vậy? Gì đen vậy? Oh, my eyeliner.
Bị cái gì cắn rồi kìa.
Tien got this Lulu, Piggy Lulu, and a box.
Teddy
But
Lulu.
she already knows what's in it.
Yes, I got Witty Teddy.
No,
It's just cafe.
And Hone got some lipstick, and I got a neck pillow.
I was like, why do you spend so much money in front of the cat?
I think I'm gonna get Witty Bear. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! I got Witty Bear! She knew what she got. Oh my god!
I really wanted this one.
They are
I'm your
exchanging
Mima.
more money.
Nó động cả hả?
We forgot them.
Muốn mua nó đâu?
No.
Thôi, đừng đụng.
No.
Mà em
Don't buy anything.
nó từ đốc á.
Nắng quá mua nón đi.
No, it's okay.
Nón thì vô mày trong mày mua nó hơi mắc một chút nhưng mà cũng mà.
Cần thì mua thôi. Không nó nắng nó bệnh này mới khổ.
No, it's okay.
Trong hệ thống Phật giáo Việt Nam từ Bắc đến Nam, chùa là một cái hội không ai được quyền đem cái chuyện cá nhân mà thì mấy anh em phát tâm kế thừa là rất ra nhưng nó phải nằm trong vấn đề quy tắc của mình.
Đi Huế thì
Dạ.
nó có những cái kiến trúc rồi của thời vua chúa ngày xưa, nó cũng hoành, nói chung là cũng trang nghiêm và hoành tráng.
Yeah. Đẹp lắm. Excuse me.
Không nên xía vào chuyện.
The wig works really good.
Tí.
In the temple, road dogging. My feet, I have no shoes. And I wish I had my shoes, but I need to be respectful. Wow, it's so pretty here. There she is. This giant Buddha.
What is that?
Yeah, the giant Buddha. Well, aren't a lot of Indians Buddhists?
Yeah. And then,
Phải đi lại không biết này.
Không phải là
I would be so tan.
Okay, đi.
I'm already tan.
okay. Để con.
Mindy, oh, that was it?
I guess.
I'll take a picture of Buddha.
Ở trên này.
Oh my gosh, he's huge.
Nàng Kim.
It's so happy.
Tiền đã chưa?
I didn't even get him.
Mẹ, you want a picture of yourself?
Em nè.
Tien chụp hình for mẹ.
Chụp hình cho mẹ cái đầm sen. Oh, đầm sen is lotus. No, give me the hat. Give me the hat. I can take it too. Smile.
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 Smile. 3. Look, hi about. Oh, she's looking in the distance. Yeah.
Wow.
Mommy with a pose on.
Ở đây còn một nhìn nó mát hơn.
Yeah.
Ai vậy nè, chọn bàn.
Here? Where?
Dạ.
Look how nice this My mom's going to watch me. Yeah.
What is he doing?
The restroom.
Oh my
Dad's following him now so he doesn't get lost again.
Chưa ha. Cho chị mượn. Rồi mấy đứa chọn thôi. Con gái.
Yeah. Let's see. Do you want beer?
Coca-Cola light.
Nói vô mấy rượu bia là được.
Wait, what kind of
It's kind of late. It's kind of early for some beer. Though.
7-Up? I want 7. I was looking at that
It's all
too.
right.
Stop copying me. We have glass noodles and crab. And Matt is talking about Tien. Right?
Yeah.
We have chao tâm. Nick really wanted to eat. Have you guys tried Trader Joe's one?
No, we haven't saw it.
I saw it and I was like, that is interesting.
Dan's friend said it was mid.
It looks kind of mid. Like, it seems like you have to actually like
What are
dress
you
it
talking
up.
about? Jeff.
Chow tâm. Oh.
Biển nè, màu vàng vàng.
Have, what is it? Ngoai.
Hỏi mấy cái anh ăn.
And
Rồi.
Would you like
canh chua?
He, no, I'm going to ride.
Nick.
And then,
Does it smell like the canned what? You never had ma'am makes canh chua at home.
Oh yeah, it's good.
Duh.
Cơm trắng ngon.
wow, squid.
That's the dog.
Yeah, the galamont.
Oh, we ordered that?
Dạ. Ăn này với cơm luôn.
Eat it
And
with a bit of rice.
Ở dưới hướng dẫn đưa tôm cho chị cháu.
Thôi được rồi. Còn cái. Chỉ không để gì chị.
Tụi nó tụi nó đưa cho chị.
oh man,
Giang mà không.
I got all the angles. Just kidding.
Gấp con này cho. Miếng rau.
Let's taste it.
I feel like we haven't had anything bad here.
That's good.
We'll try to get this one.
How many booms, tell me?
Yeah, just try it.
5 big booms.
It's probably too close to me.
So you can either can dip it.
You talk to yourself so much. I got it.
quay theo Tien.
Hành hương đâu mẹ? Hành hương, where's that?
Hành hương là Pure.
Where?
Pure.
Feasted.
Oh, okay.
Purim to
Feasted.
Roma, Purim to, you know what it means?
Pilgrimage?
Yeah.
Those are right there. Nick, can you stand a hammock? Nick, lay on the hammock.
I'm okay. You have
No, you gotta.
Vô anh chơi cho vui. Bữa nay bố ba học trẻ. Bịch bạc.
Hello. We're about to eat jiao. It's apple
You
jiao.
should lay on the hammock so you
Towel
can
from
have
EXO.
some light.
Where? Jiao.
Anti-hammock.
Bro. And our driver's over there somewhere. It's okay, I'm okay. Tien McRae.
Probably the owner.
Yeah.
No, it's a baby. Yeah, I'm gonna.
Give two of them over there.
Yeah. Can you bring two over there to them? No. Yeah, give it to them.
That just talks to anybody. Or about everybody. Man, we don't even want.
Me and Nick are gonna share. No. There's the apple.
It's like mixed.
What's this for? I don't get it.
I don't know either.
Just ice because it's warm.
Oh, extra ice whenever you eat this because right at the bottom it's warm. Take a bite.
Ratatouille moment. Ratatouille. My leg itches.
Yeah, same.
It's only this one that itches. First bite.
Take a bite.
Bone eats first.
Still.
Bone camera.
Some more ice.
Me?
The ice is melting. So
Yeah. Okay, let's.
It's nutty. It's nutty. It looks nutty.
Take a bite.
You go first.
Beans? I don't eat beans.
Yeah, I don't eat beans, but it's okay.
Rice is good.
Mmm.
Apple?
No apple. I'm very confused.
What do you mean no apple?
It's like, the apple is like smoothie.
Oh.
Like, this spoon is too small. Delicious. Good? I bet you've been really good.
Peanut butter.
Yeah. It's really nutty.
Or peanut. That is delicious. That's that big thing.
Who picked this place?
Driver.
Bo and the driver. Matt? This dancing? You're dancing? Yeah.
So like 50 cents.
Đây là bà ngoại, xong rồi là xung quanh là vườn trái cây, cây mai, cây vú sữa, cây xoài, cây kiển, bông kèn, nước mẹ, rau ăn, lá quế.
You're not talking to the camera.
Xoài tượng, vú sữa. Mới hái thầy con đem đi cả. Mới hái hả?
Can you open one for me? Can you open it for me?
Okay, sure.
Thank you. Whoa. Ooh. Okay, I'll eat.
Ngọt ha. So good. Nó chắc nó chưa biết đấy Mai.
I'm not wearing shoes, Dan. Hey, for real? Oh my god. That's so good. Power is out. Online with his iPad, but there's no Wi-Fi. Yung is making dinner for them.
Hỏi ai vậy chị Bình hay em chị Bình? Nó nói chị Bình. Hỏi chứ nhìn đúng ra ăn qua chị Bình nói chứ hả em Hồng. Mà biết phải chị Hồng, chị Bình hay là em chị Bình? Nó nói chị Bình.
So cute. Where's she going? Picking Rao for dinner.
Oh, Mom, you want ice cream or ice?
What?
She said crawfish. Crawfish.
Both cracks is open. Bruh. That's the theme was crawfish.
Ice cream? Yeah. All the ants are drinking the mango juice. No.
What about that guy Joel you went to high school with?
Joe Allen.
Oh,
Yeah, what happened to him?
we went to Arkansas.
Yeah.
I never liked him.
That's
Wow.
funny.
Well, back on Jason.
Yes, sir. He's funny.
Trời mưa không phải con cua lên.
Yeah, it's a crab.
What the
Đâu,
hell?
có con cua.
What the hell?
Con cua đồng nó lên trời mưa. Yeah.
Bro, it's a crab. I was like, what?
Cua.
What is that?
Con cua đồng.
Oh.
Bắt 10 con nó về nấu canh
Our
chua.
crawfish is here.
Yeah.
Ở là nó đi à.
Wow.
Coffee, you want coffee? Nhớ, mình nhớ coffee.
Oh, crawfish day.
Yeah, usually. Có ngày
How do you know?
con gái nè.
It's a girl. Oh my god, it has
A lot of
eggs.
baby nè, Tommy.
Yeah.
Eggies.
I want to take a nice photo.
Yeah.
Wow.
Eggies.
Bye bye. Go and take your baby.
Wow.
When your labor?
When's your labor? When's your due date?
When your due day?
That's so goofy.
Mommy.
Where does it go?
Dưới đây nó lên nè.
No, I'm just standing here, Bo.
I know.
I'm
we're
just
watching.
standing.
We're just watching.
Rồi cho nó về nhà rồi đó, cho nó đi đi labor đi.
Bye bye.
Rồi coi đi Tien, coi đi, ăn bữa ăn đi. Có một cái nha.
Hay là thu chỗ này rồi vừa vô tay chỗ kia.
Không tiền nữa, khui.
I tried French fries.
Nó của nó là minh bạch.
Dạ.
Khui bao
French
nhiêu?
fry.
Là cái gì?
Let me rate my
Tự
first
nhiên anh Quân này ăn đi cho nó lưu.
crispy for me. Mmm.
Ngon không?
It's not quite actually French.
Làm cơm.
You're so right. 10% battery left.
Chị biết không, hồi đó ngoại á mà hay hút thuốc với mua vé số á, chạy xe từ bên cây xăng bên kia